Hello, so today let's look at LeetCode programming problem number 869, which is reordered power of 2. So in this problem we are provided with a positive integer n as an input, and we have to tell whether the digits in this integer n can be permuted to form a number which is a power of 2. For example, let's say if we are provided the number as 46. So now 46, the digits of 46 can be permuted to 64. So then this is a power of 2. So you would return true in this case. Another example could be, let's say we are provided with 12. So now the digits of 12, that are 1 and 2, could not be permuted anyhow to get a power of 2. So in this case the answer would be false. And similarly for other numbers, another example could be 61. So for this it could be permuted at 16, and then again the answer is true for this. So how could we go about solving this problem? So the key thing to note over here is that if you arrange the digits of the input integer in ascending order, and also arrange the digits of the power of 2 in ascending order, then since both of them would be in ascending order, so they would be same if the digits comprising of the positive integer n are the power of 2, if they are permuted in such a way to constitute a power of 2. So let's look at an example. uh, let's say you are provided with input digits as 1, 2, 4, 0. So 1, 2, 4, 0, if I arrange this number, the digits in this number in ascending order, so it would be something like 0, 1, 2, 4. So this is in ascending order. Now I can also maintain a list of all the powers of 2 and then sort the digits in ascending order. So the powers of 2 would be something like 2, 4, 64, so on and so forth, and 1024 would also be one of the powers of 2. So I would store these digits in ascending order. So this would be stored as 2, 4 would be stored as 4, 64 would be stored as 46, and 1024 would be stored as 0, 1, 2, 4. So when I check, whenever I get a number as an input, like over here 1240, I arrange its digits in ascending order, and I also check in the list that I have, is there any number which matches this? So yes, this number matches this, so we will return a true. So if you want to check out the programmatic solution for this approach, please check the link given in the description. Thank you.